In this Premiere Pro tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make a nice, cool looking shine animation for your logos or your images. Okay, so the first step is head over to the link in the description of this video and click on it. It'll lead you to my Patreon. It's free, by the way, so don't worry. Once you're inside the Patreon, you can look at the most recent post. In the most recent post, there will be the link for the animation preset. You can go ahead and download that preset and then go back to Premiere Pro. Inside Premiere Pro, press on the small square in the top right of the graphics templates section, and then you can upload the file that you just downloaded. All you need to do is drag and drop it into your timeline. Then click on it. You'll be able to open up the logo panel there. Then click on the 3 lines. Then press replace from Finder or whatever your file browser is. Then pick the file that you want to add the logo effect to. Once you have picked the file, you can see that the logo effect already applied. It has a nice fade in and fade out for better transition. And there's also a settings panel where you can change the settings. You can change the thickness or anything that you like to change. If you scroll down over there, you can change everything. For example, I can make it much thicker like that. I can change the bevel size to make it look more 3D. I can also adjust more tiny details and make my logo animation much better. If this video helped you, be sure to subscribe, as it would really help me and support the channel.